Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach e-waste chapter, that is transportation, class UKG, section 1. In previous classes you may be taught so many things, no? What are there? Huh? What are those? Very good. I want to ask some questions. Okay? You know means you can answer, otherwise keep quiet. First listen. How you will come from home to school? Okay. Someone are telling by bus. Someone are telling auto. Telling car. Bicycle. Okay. Some vehicle from home. You are coming to school, no? How you are going? From these vehicles only you are going, no? All these are called vehicles. All these are called what? Vehicles. What we call? Vehicles. For example, how vegetables are there? Tomato, carrot, beetroot, brinjal, so many are there, no? All together we call vegetables. Like that, all bus, auto, car, bicycle, all these are called vehicles. Understood? Somewhere today we are going to know about transportation. Transportation means from one place to another place we are going to move, no? We are going to use. We are going. How you are going? By walk? Some are going by walk only. Some are going by bus. Some are going auto. Some are going car, bicycle, etc. Open page number 64. Okay, open. See, in this transport, open and see. In this transport, three types are there. Land transport, land transport. Next one, water transport. Next, air transport, water transport, land transport. First, land transport. In transportation, three types are there. What are they? Land transportation, water transportation, air transportation. Three types are there. What are they? In transportation, three types are there. Land transportation, water transportation, air transportation. In three, first we come to land here. On land means on this. Some vehicles are moved on the land. What are they? Bus, auto, car, bicycle, truck, train. Very good. So many are there, no? See here, land transportation, scooter, auto, train, truck, train, bicycle, bus, car. These are some examples of land transport. And that's also there. But only given some. And ambulance and fire truck also. These are used to land transportation. These are called vehicles. What are these called? Vehicles. One name is given. How vegetables are given? Vegetables, tomato, brinjal, chili, beetroot. So many are there, no? All together we call with one name. What vegetables? Like that, this bus, auto, car, bicycle, auto rickshaw, truck, all are called vehicles. One name, vehicles. In vehicles, that land vehicles are bus, auto, car, bicycle, truck, train, ambulance, fire truck. See, Understood? Scooter, here is scooter, auto, truck, train, bicycle, bus, car, ambulance, fire truck. These are also comes under what? Land transportation. Now we understood no land transportation. Okay, now we are going to another water transportation, another type of transportation that is called water transportation. This finished no land transportation finished. Okay. Now we are going to teach water transportation. What? Water transport. Some vehicles we see. Some vehicles going in a water is called water transportation. So many vehicles are there, no? Moving on vehicles. Those vehicles are move. Some vehicles move on water are called water transportation. This ship. Next, boat. These two and others are there, but only two, ship and boat. For so many others, but for you, these two I am telling, ship and boat are so much we are using no in water transportation. Some vehicles move in water, it is called water transportation. Comes under ship, boat are two vehicles comes under water transportation. See here, page number 65, water transportation. There are some of the vehicles that move on water. Bus will not move on water, no. So it is not a water transportation. It comes under land transportation. Auto will not move in a water. Car will not move in a water. Bicycle, like that. These are comes under what? Land transportation. These two are called comes under water transportation. Like that. Below two figures are given. See, observe here. Air transportation. These two are called air transportation. What vehicles? Airplane, helicopter. These two are comes under air transportation because ship will not go in air, no. Boat will not go in air. These are water transportation. These are aeroplane, helicopter, jet, and so many are there. Those are all called air transportation. Here I am given only two examples: aeroplane, helicopter. These two are moving in air, so it comes under air transportation. Understood? In transportation, three types are there: land transportation, water transportation, air transportation. In that land, some examples of vehicles: bus, auto, car, bicycle, truck, ambulance, fire truck, train, another, etc. In water transportation, ship, boat. We are using more now, so I am telling ship and boat. In air transportation, aeroplane, helicopter. What? Aeroplane, helicopter, two. This understood now? Okay. Now I am going to give homework in transportation. See, homework I am giving. Now I am going to give homework. Understood? In page number 64, 65, open. Write in transportation like this you write. Under 3 will come 1, 2, 3. To write like this. Land transportation, water transportation, air transport like this 3. Next, under land, some are comes. Some vehicles are coming now. What? Scooter, auto, truck, train, bicycle, bus, car. These vehicles are called what? Land transportation. Land transportation, right? These vehicles are right. Understood? Water, right? These two. Air, right? Aeroplane and helicopter. Understood? No homework. Homework. Write all the vehicles names 2 times. What? Land transportation. Vehicles names write 2 times. Water transportation, right? And below ship, boat, right? 2 times. And air transportation, right? 2 times. Aeroplane, helicopter, spelling, telling, you have to tell and write. Understood? Okay, ma. Thank you, children. Thank you, ma. Okay.